Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best airbrush compressors that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Master Airbrush TC40T. This single-cylinder piston motor runs at 1/6 of a horsepower off of any 110 to 120 versus outlet, meaning it would work perfectly in your outdoor-powered shop or tool shed. It's designed to work only when you do, producing full-capacity air on demand with a preset turn-on pressure of 43 psi, which can reach up to 57 psi. The air itself is drawn from the large 0.8-gallon, 3-liter storage tank for a constant regulated pressure while airbrushing. The entire system is regulated with a gauge and water trap, which allows for precise adjustment of airflow as well as air that's clean and dry, meaning your paints, thin oils, inks, and other mediums won't ever be watered down when they come out. Moving on at number 4, we have the Grex AC1810A. This standard-size airbrush compressor will fit comfortably in any personal art studio, tool shed, office, or basement space. Its piston-style operation provides amazing performance at a maximum pressure of 60 psi and a minimum of 20 psi. Ideal for this model because its tank allows for on-off painting at a higher pressure or constant painting at lower pressures. Automatic compressor can shut off if it is overheating or going above 60 psi, and allows for ideal quiet operation below 55 decibels at lower power settings. At number 3, we have the Paasche Airbrush DC850R. This is a highly functional device which allows for multiple airbrushes at once, meaning several colors, several mediums, and different touches and touch-ups for all your art. The 3/4 of a horsepower dual-piston oil-free compressor provides a pressure from 40 to 90 psi, which can provide constant airflow to 4 airbrushes at once. The dual air hose connections have quick connect fittings to the rust-free aluminum air tank and its powerful dual-piston engine. It's a louder model than the others in our list, running at 58 decibels, but for the pure power and pressure it creates for multiple airbrushes, it's well worth the background clamor. This machine is designed with a regulator and moisture trap for pure dry air and no watering down of your mediums. At number 2, we have the AW Pro Twin-Cylinder Airbrush Compressor. This premium twin-cylinder airbrush compressor operates very smoothly with an amazing 1-gallon tank that runs at 1/3 of a horsepower. The precision-forged pistons can deliver a maximum of 100 psi. Though the engine runs on 2 power modes for any task and have automatic start and stop settings for power saving and reducing heat from the motor. This machine is great for high-quality body art, and maintains enough air pressure for all your brushing needs throughout one paint job. Our solution to a limited bathroom space is here. And finally at number 1, we have the Master Airbrush G22 Multi-Purpose Airbrush Kit. This is easily one of the best airbrush compressors for both the beginner and the professional. It's also one of the largest kits available along with the compressor, containing 24 popular airbrush paints, an airbrush cleaning pot, cleaning solution, and a universal airbrush holder. The included 6-inch braided air hose has a universal airbrush holder with a 0.3 mm nozzle, which is made from high-quality precision components that enable the airbrush to provide exceptional atomization and accurate spray control. The air compressor runs at 1/5 of a horsepower to delivers more air volume, CFM, and an air pressure safely of 35 to 75 psi and up to a max of 85 psi before automatically shutting off.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.